All right, and welcome back to Pure Nebraska. And earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on the benefits of using the method known as AI in livestock. And you can see that on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, that discussion a little bit later this morning. But right now, Paula is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is joining Paula now with how to make a unique breakfast dish.
Yes, you know, I'm always looking for some great fun ideas for breakfast because you kind of get in the mode, okay, I'll have oatmeal again, or I'll have a bagel, or I'll fry an egg, but this is fun.
You see, Tom is a pancake and bacon every morning.
Every single morning.
Every single morning. So I have to do something a little bit different just every now and then.
For you, mentally.
Yes, for me mentally.
Right.
And so my grandkids love nachos, anything. So I thought, let's just try this. And so we've just got some tortilla chips, scrambled eggs, and it's just your normal scrambled eggs. So you can go ahead and put the scrambled eggs on it.
Okay. What will people need? Let's go over the ingredients here.
Okay, we've got chips, scrambled eggs, or tortilla chips, scrambled eggs. I went ahead and browned some sausage, so we have that. We've got chopped onions, bacon bits, tomatoes, and I did a Mexican crumbled cheese today. You could use sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, whatever kind of favorite cheese you want. And then this is, I did a jar cheese. It's a Monterey Jack, and it's just if you want a little bit different thing. And then I use the creme Mexican as sour cream on top of it.
Fun. Now you could also sprinkle cheddar cheese on top.
You could do spreader cheese, and the thing is, if you put your eggs on first and your
just spread
sausage,
it? Okay.
Then you can put the cheese on, and it kind of melts a little bit already because everything else is hot. Yeah, just dump it on.
That'll be faster.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're going to put some sausage on top of it from there.
Okay.
I tried to get everything in little bowls for you.
Yeah, no,
and then
great.
just mix across. There you
As
go.
I make
And
a
you won't
mess.
need all the sausage.
Oh, I won't. Okay.
No.
All right.
I mean, you can if you want, but
Okay.
and here the same on the onion. We can just add
Ready.
some onions, and
And
you won't
again,
use all of them.
This is what your family likes.
Yes.
Okay.
My grandkids love it because it's something different. Christian could eat breakfast burritos every single day. There you go. And then a little bacon because everything makes better with bacon.
Okay.
There you go. And then if you want a
This
little
on
of
top?
that on top, you can add that just, there we go.
Just plop it up there.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I just throw a little bit of the across the top.
I've never had that before. That looks really good.
I use it in just some different things we do in the house.
Ooh,
and there
okay.
you go, breakfast nachos.
There we go.
And then you can just either use,
I'll use this.
yeah,
Okay.
and then just scoop it onto your plate.
There we go. A little bit messy, but that's part of
It
it.
is, but
That's okay.
I can't eat nachos without making it messy. So
Okay, we'll give it a try. This is fun.
it's something just different, you know. And
I like it.
so, well, I'm glad.
Keep talking, Paula.
Okay. No,
As
it's
I
just
swallow.
something, and you can do a lot of different things with it. I mean, if you want to add green peppers, you know, whatever you like, and you could do a salsa, because like huevos and
that's true.
rancheros, you could have a salsa dip that you could add with it. Yeah, I would say you could go any direction, whatever you like for breakfast.
There you go.
You know, you could.
You could put on here. Very fun. And we will have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page after the show. Back to you, Jen.